Okay, so two things right quick. First of all, if you are totally happy with like $100 Amazon light bars and stuff, just turn this video off because it's probably not for you unless you're looking to upgrade to something nice. And two, before I get any farther into this video, I want to apologize for all the background noise. I live in the country, and apparently everyone has decided it's a great morning to get out and use the tractors, so that noise may come and go. But anyhow, I'm going to get right into it. Spent last week with one of my buddies from Vision X Lighting and learned a lot about LED quality, light bars, just, that sort of thing in general. And I've got a couple products to show you today, and I'm showing you these two specifically because I've decided, with all the deer running crazy out here at night and whatnot, that I need to put a decent light bar on my truck. So here are the two favorites I have right here. One, the new Vision X Shocker. I also live near the Air Force Base, so yeah, I just let that airplane go by right quick. It's the sound of America right there. It's the sound of freedom. Wasn't able to see what it was. Anyhow, so this is the new Shocker double light bar. Not even out yet. I feel like a rapper or a basketball player or something because I got my hands on a product that's not even released to the public yet. Any day now, though. They're coming out very soon. This is the smallest one. I want you to keep that in mind. This is the smallest one at 12 inches. So you can see by the picture, it's a dual row. You have your spot beam up here, and you have kind of like a wide fog beam available in either amber or white, depending on what you want to go with. This thing's a killer. Like, look right here. Effective lumens 886. That's on the bottom fog light. On the spot, almost 4,500, and that's effective lumens, not raw. Raw lumens is almost 6,500. It's actually 6,420. This thing shoots forever. Basically, this is their new vector reflector. I want to say it goes, 1,300 feet of usable light. And then on the fog, it's 205 feet, which is really cool because the fog is like a very narrow, sandwiched, wide, broad beam. Great for cutting through stuff without blinding everybody else. Really neat beam pattern. Especially for dust, the amber. Looking at you, West Texas people, dealing with dust or fog or anything like that, to really kind of cut through that. It's called the Shocker for a reason. This thing is bright. It's crazy. The 12-inch model, I want to say, is going to retail somewhere $550 to $600. So for what you get, not bad at all. But the scary thing is they're coming out with it in different sizes all the way up to a 50. So yeah, that'll get more expensive, but I mean, you can probably see it from space. So let's get into it and check it out. Box looks nice. Sorry, I need a drink right quick. Packaging's cool. So it's packaged in there. It's got foam. Let's see, what do we have here? Oh, these are the Vision X brackets. That's a nice L bracket with some slots in it and stuff. It's real heavy, but good heavy, What else do we have? Oh yeah, so all Vision X light bars come with a harness. You don't have to worry about buying a harness. So here we go: relays, switch, fuse holder, and this is a DT connector. It's actually a 3-prong DT connector because you can choose either the. Here, I'll open this up. Slide that a little bit. So you have your spot beam, turn it off, or your fog beam. Nice connector, 2 relays, all included. So that's awesome. And let's get to the bar. Oh, what else do we have here? Vision X sticker. Put that right here for now. Alrighty. packaged really well. I'm going to scoop this back here for a moment. Unwrap the plastic. Wow, that's really nice. So I believe this one is the amber version, but you can just tell it's got a great look to it. Cooling fins on the back. They're actually designed not just as heat sinks, but to aid in convection to help the bar get cool, because believe it or not, LEDs do get hot. LED products get hot. Heat kills the circuitry, so keeping them cool is the best way to do it. Yeah, this thing is pretty killer. I was going to power it on for you guys. Maybe I'll do that at night. My handy dandy power supply here has a 2-pin DT connector, and this is a 3-pin, so no worky. I'm going to figure something out though so we can light this bad boy up later. Cool. Okay, so I have magically boxed up the shocker. Not even out yet. Looks really nice. I can't wait to unbox it again and power it up at night sometime soon. Get you guys some footage of that, sorry. And here's the other contender. The XPL series has been out for a little bit. These are the new curved bars. Same technology in a curve. These are also really cool because, I mean, one, it's a curved bar, so it fits the contours of bumpers or certain roofs or, you know, things of that nature. It's got a broad spot beam. Hey, look, broad spot beam right here. And it also has a DRL, daytime running light, that basically backlights the entire unit in white when you're not using the spot. So, let's check her out. It's also packaged really well. Don't want to mess up the... There we go. Don't need this anymore. So this is the 20-inch version. Again, in the curve they go all the way up to I think a 54. So same deal. Harness included. On-off rocker switch. Relay, fuse, nice connections. And it is a 2-prong DT connection. So I'll be able to power this thing up. Again, packaged nicely. More Vision X stickers in there. Again, mounting bracket. Not the same as the shocker bracket. It's more of a simple... I don't want to untape all that right now, since I don't know which one of these I'm going to be getting. It's more of a simple L bracket, but still looks nice. Heavy duty, get the job done for sure. And then... So the cool thing about the XPL series, they're low profile. They're not quite as tall as your traditional, you know, 2-row light bar. Pull it out. Got that nice curve to it. So it'll take that spot pattern, that really high intensity spot beam, and kind of spread it out a little bit. That's part of the reason I'm leaning towards this one as well for my truck, because we have a lot of deer out here. As more and more people encroach on us out here in the country, they're just, you know, becoming more and more pushed out into areas like ours. I was even hit by a deer a few years ago in a different truck. I was stopped when they ran across the road, and one of them hit my fender and my headlight. That was fun. So I'd really like to be able to see these. Anyhow, so you see this nice frosted background around the reflectors themselves. That's the part that glows in white. It is an SAE approved daytime running light, so that's cool. I really want to wire this up at night, but I think I'm going to use my handy dandy magical battery here. Go ahead and power it up. I don't think I can do the DRL until I get a little more creative, but and this may not even be the full brightness. But, oh, that's bright though. That's bright. Don't look straight at it. I want to kind of rotate it a little bit so you can kind of see the... Wow, I can already feel the heat of the light coming off of it too. Like, not in a bad way, but it's you can feel it for sure. So cool. I can't wait to power these up at night. I'm also kind of excited for this because in the 20-inch curved size on my 2500 HD truck, I think it's going to fit nicely inside the slot of the bumper. So let's go up to the front and kind of just mock that up and see. Okay, so here we are at the front of my truck. That's, you know, the bumper slot the HDs have. Mine's a little tweaked. It was like that when I got it, but that's something I can adjust when I finally go in and do this. So for reference, here's the size of the 20-inch bar. Like, it's almost perfect. I don't know if you can see, but there are some factory bolts in there. See how it actually fits in the slot. So sticking out would look something like this. I think there's actually room in there for me to go in from behind and put it behind the opening, which I think would look pretty sick. I think that would look awesome, to be honest. So it's really kind of the way I'm leaning, but let me know which one you like, what you think. If you have any questions, feel free to just let me know. If you're looking to buy something like this, hit me up. I'll let you know where you can get a hold of it, whether it's, you know, one of our local dealers here, which I prefer, you know, spend local, that's awesome. Or if you have to get it online, I'll see if I can find a spot for you. If you're a retailer, you want to sell these, definitely send me a message, slide into those DMs, whatever the cool kids say these days, and we'll get you fixed up. Okay, so this is the back road test. It's nighttime. This is the 12-inch shocker. Hope I don't get shocked with this rig that I've made up for myself here with some jumper cables and the harness. But let's fire it up and see what we get. So that is the driving spot, and it's just sitting here on a table. I bet I can, yeah, so adjust that. Look how far, you can see all the way to the corner of the road. That's probably, I mean, that's at least 1,200 feet, if not a solid 1,500 feet from where we're at, if I hold that right here. So this thing has some ridiculous distance and a great spot beam. It's pretty insane. All right, now let's try the fog. Oh, cool. Again, it's kind of aimed up, so give me just a second to grab it here so this thing will aim properly. You can see where that cutoff is. So you could really aim this for an awesome fog beam and get it exactly how you want. And it's really wide. It's like, it's, I don't know if you can see in the camera, but it's like 180 degrees almost fanning out. So yeah, the new shocker is awesome for sure. Look at the spot one more time. And boom, spotlight. Wow, you can just aim it down in front here. Look how bright it is if it gets up close. Right now I've got that spot on the ground like, 15 feet away, 20 feet away is the beginning of the bright spot. So yeah, you can see all over the place. You can see our cattle there in the pasture. Huh, that's awesome. Okay, so I am back again, this time with the slim curved 20-inch XPL. Not expecting it to be as bright as the shocker, obviously, because it's not a shocker. But let's see what it does here. Wow, that's still really bright. Let me kind of aim it, it's just sitting on the table. So for all intents and purposes, I can see just as far down this road to the corner as I could with the shocker bar. Sorry, I'm just aiming it around a little bit. You can see how bright it is if it's here about 15 feet in front of me. Just aim it up. That's a really good beam. It's really bright. So let me set it back down there. And then now let's check out the DRL. Okay, so give him a little light so he can touch that on there, and then so that is the DRL, which on the camera is really bright. I'm trying to get like a side view. There we go. So that's what it looks like up close. That's a really neat effect. Yeah, I think I want this one for my truck. What do you think, Tio?
I think it looks good.
All right, time to put some money aside. Cool, so there you have it. 2 really bright lights on a back road.